Hello everyone, Ross is here again, and today we will try to disassemble and fix iPhone 11 Pro Max. It is slightly water damage and now it's just boot looping in Apple logo, restarting non-stop. The easy way and try to fix that: tap on the volume up button, tap on the volume down button, and after that hold the power button until you restart or see the Apple logo. After that the phone will turn off itself, and probably after that you can hold the power button or just press it and it will start. But now it's not doing this, so obviously the phone is damaged. Water damage, or maybe just the connector is damaged. And what we need to do is to unscrew the famous Apple screws here on the bottom of the iPhone and remove the screen and open the iPhone and check if there is any water damage in it. So first remove these small screws. Okay, both screws are out. Keep in mind that you need to order your screws very carefully because Apple inside is a mess. Lots of different screws. The proper way to open the iPhone is first to heat up the screen adhesive, and after that try to open it with a proper tool. So first we'll need to heat up the screen. We need to soften the adhesive a little bit more. It's not enough. Okay, maybe we are ready. We can try. First try from the bottom part of the phone. So with the pry tool, try to open it. And of course be careful. You need to just slice the adhesive all the way. And remember, iPhones are always opening to the right side. So we are now inside iPhone 11 Pro Max. Let's start with disconnecting the battery. Now battery is disconnected. Let's remove the screws from the other bracket. And we can start disconnecting here. And now we can separate the screen from the body. Now it's good time to remove all the adhesive from the phone. Okay guys, after disconnecting almost everything, we'll need to reconnect it and check one by one which flex cable is making the issue to not start the phone. I can bet that this is the cable for the Face ID, but we'll check that later. And first we'll start with it, but before that we need to connect everything else. Alright, let's start. We are ready, and now the battery. Always leave the last cable to be the battery cable. Now let's try to turn on the phone. And the issue is still here. It's boot looping with the Apple logo. Let's disconnect the battery. We'll start with the Face ID cable. Okay, it's disconnected. Let's connect the battery and try again. Battery connected. Let's try to boot the phone. And the phone boots. So obviously this iPhone is working, just the problem is with Face ID flex cable. Sadly, we can't change that Face ID module because it won't work. Your Face ID won't work if you change with other module. So what else we can do is just disconnect everything again. You can disassemble the Face ID module from the screen itself and just try to clean all the connectors with alcohol. That's what you can do, and that's what I will do now. Now we can try to clean it with some alcohol. Okay guys, what I actually do is to remove the whole Face ID sensors and everything here with loudspeaker. Sadly, there is a corrosion here on the sensors and they need to be reopened and resoldering. If you can do this, of course I can do this. That's why I just disconnect the whole thing from the phone, and the phone will work without Face ID and without True Tone. At least now the phone is not boot looping, it's working. If you have a separate Face ID sensors and loudspeaker, of course you can change them. At least you can use the loudspeaker. Sadly, you can't use True Tone or Face ID. So this is the temporary solution I made. Alright, let's now put the brackets and just put the glue on the frame and close the phone. That's it. Let's start. Okay, we are ready with those screws. We'll need to put some glue here on the frame and just close the phone, starting from the upper part and going down to bottom part. Let's continue. Alright, the glue is put on. Let's close the phone. As I told you, by starting from the upper part. Let's put the final screws on the bottom of the iPhone. So it's closed, it's working, and that's what we can do for now. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.